Hi everybody, today another unboxing video. There are coins from GSM, Golden State Mint, which I was waiting for a bit over 3 weeks. It's my second order from this company, and this time when I seen that it arrived almost 2 weeks ago in Korea, I emailed them that I'm still waiting. So this time they respond to that, and they make it delivery happened. So what I ordered from them is a cups full coins. I bought the Luna series in silver 1 ounce coins. That's a holder. On the 30th of September, the price of silver went under $17, so I decided to buy. That's just a coin holder. So I decided to get that series from them to check them out again. So that's the coins, I believe. Okay. One second. The package it very well. That takes time. Let's see. Okay. So the coins are here. That's the tube as well. For American Eagles, I think maybe I got some with that order, I'm not sure. Okay, so that's the coins. I'll pack it very well. Let's have a look at them. So that's delivery was delayed. I was thinking that I'm not gonna get it anyway. That's my second order and last order from this company. They charge over $70 for delivery to Korea. I don't know why on their website they say that anything up to 40 ounces is anything up to 40 ounces is $33, but they charge me for, I think it's 25 ounces in here, $75 for delivery. That's first of the Luna series. I ordered, I think, 2 of each. Snake, rooster, yeah. These are actually nice. It's another type of rooster. Okay. Here's horse. Okay. I ordered as well some half ounces. That was actually the first ones I bought. I don't have any half ounces in silver, but this will be the first two. Those ones. Yep. Difficult with those gloves. Okay. So the half ounces. Okay. Those are American Silver Eagles 2014. So that's 2014 too. 2014, so it's 8 of them. Okay, and here I believe is the rest of the Luna series. After making order, I realized that I forgot to add, I think, a dog into the Luna series to have it complete, and I emailed them, but they didn't respond, so they didn't send it. I wanted to change the order to add 2 more coins, and so will be incomplete collection of those, because I'm not gonna order with that company again. I will stick with Upmex, and I'm waiting for a delivery from them. It's never a problem. Usually it's about 6-7 days for Upmex to deliver. So I know it arrived in Korea already, my order. So tomorrow or day after I should have it, so I'll make a video of another unboxing. And that's the last one, Year of the Rat. So that would be it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.